where we are given with temperature which is corresponding to different days. Monday have temperature 34 degrees centigrade, Tuesday is 45 degrees centigrade, Wednesday is 38 degrees centigrade, and we are required to find the average temperature during this week. So we have to click in any of the cell here on the this spreadsheet and type equal to and type the function average, double click over here and enter the range from which you have to find the average temperature. So I have select this data and click enter. And we are required with this average temperature during this week is 35.571. You can also do it by this way. Delete this one. You can see over here average and click enter. This will automatically generate the average temperature.